Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy, filling and nutrient dense breakfast smoothie recipe which will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus helps in weight loss and weight management. The smoothie is an ideal healthy breakfast for bachelors, hostel students and for busy people. So let's get started with the recipe. To make this healthy, filling and nutrient dense breakfast smoothie, into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1 cup or 1 glass of water. Into that, I'm adding in 1/4 cup jowar flakes, also known as jowar aval or jowar poha. Jowar, also known as sorghum, is a highly nutritious millet and it is completely gluten-free. It is a rich source of fiber. The high dietary fiber content in jowar makes it one of the best food for improving digestion. The high fiber helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus it's ideal for weight loss and weight management. It's also a good source of protein. It's a powerhouse of essential vitamins, antioxidants and minerals. Jowar is loaded with good amounts of calcium, copper, zinc, phosphorus, potassium and cell building B vitamins. It's also a good source of iron. And being a complex carbohydrate, jowar gets digested slowly, hence ideal for those with health issues like diabetes, PCOS and thyroid. The high phytochemical antioxidants in jowar helps to reduce inflammation in the body. So include millets like jowar, especially when they are in season in your diet. Into this I'm adding in 1/4 cup organic jowar flakes. For some natural healthy fats, I'm adding in about 8 to 10 cashew nuts. Instead of cashew nuts, you can use any nut of your choice like peanuts, soaked walnuts, almonds, or even nut butters like peanut butter, cashew butter or almond butter. Any nuts of your choice will be ideal. Addition of healthy fats like nuts is very important in this recipe, as healthy fats, that is the natural healthy fats like nuts or wood pressed oils, helps in better assimilation of fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, K, E and D. So for better assimilation of fat soluble vitamins, you need a good source of healthy fat. So do not skip using a healthy fat in your meals. Also, healthy fats helps to keep you feel satiated for a longer time. For some added omega-3s, fiber and antioxidants, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon flax seeds. Now you don't need to grind the flax seeds and add it into the blender. The flax seeds will get ground along with the other ingredients. Again, for some added omega-3s, antioxidants and fiber, I am adding in 1 teaspoon chia seeds. I have already shared a detailed video on the health benefits of flax seeds and chia seeds. Please do check it out to understand why you should be including them in your diet. For an added flavor, I am adding in half teaspoon organic cinnamon powder. Now cinnamon not only helps to give a good flavor to the smoothie but also helps to boost your metabolism. For some added sweetness and fiber, I am adding in 1 whole medjool dates. Medjool dates are soft, hence it will get blend really well along with the ingredients. If you don't have soft dates like medjool dates, you can soak the dates and then add it into the blender jar. Next, I am adding in 1 whole banana. Now, when you are using banana, make sure that the banana has some black spots like this. The more the black spots, the more the sweeter the banana will be. Now, instead of banana, you can use any seasonal fruit of your choice, like maybe mangoes, or if you have blueberries at hand, you can add in some blueberries along with half of a banana, or maybe apple and half of a banana. Feel free to use the fruits which are locally available at the place you live in. Now, if you like a slightly thicker and creamy smoothie, you can use frozen bananas, or you can even add in some ice cubes along with water. So you can just play around with this recipe to suit your preference. And now I'm going to blend this until everything is nicely mixed and combined. Pour the thick blended smoothie into a serving glass. And lastly, for an added crunch and flavor, I am sprinkling in 1 teaspoon raw cacao nibs. Raw cacao nibs also will give a subtle crunch to the smoothie. Instead of raw cacao nibs, you can use chopped nuts of your choice. And my super healthy, filling and nutrient dense jowar smoothie is ready to serve. The jowar, along with the other ingredients in the smoothie, will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus helps in weight loss and weight management. So guys, do try this healthy and nutrient dense smoothie recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.